Hey everybody, El Dudarino here, and today we're doing a special episode. We're actually at a wedding right now, and so we thought we'd get some people together and see what they want. Apparently I'm the bartender, so you know how that goes. So anyhow, I got my buddy Kelly here and my friend Jenny here. So Jenny, what would you like?
You know, I want some reminiscent from Mexico when I was there. I'd love something that tastes similar to that.
Okay. I have something just for you.
All right.
So I went to a birthday party recently from a guy from Mexico.
Okay.
And they had some drink I'd never had before. It was flippin' amazing. So I'm gonna see if I can recreate it for you. Kelly, you're gonna dig it too, I think.
You got a good first step with ice.
You know what? You can't go wrong with ice, right? So, pour some tequila in here. Now we're gonna do the Blanco Tequila because no carbs.
Oh,
and I pour a strong
nice
drink, by the way.
Half and half. That's a good Mexico feel.
Hey, my second job when I retire is going to be a bartender in
That's
Mexico
what makes
somewhere.
you good tips right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to survive somehow, right? So we're gonna use Diet Squirt. Now they use Squirt. It was really cool, but because it's low carb month on the Dude's Kitchen, we're gonna
Alright,
use
so
Diet
low
Squirt.
carb month, alright.
How's that?
All right. There you go. There you go. Hold on. There you go. So give it a shot, Jenny. Tell me if that's something that you had in Mexico.
Very reminiscent.
Yeah?
I want to tango all night.
Hey, we're at a party, right?
Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, that tastes delicious.
Delicious.
Nice low
Kelly, what do you
carb,
think? Try it, dude. I dig this drink.
Ooh, that is very good.
Oh, it's strong.
He's a lightweight, don't listen to him.
But you like it?
Good. No, it's excellent.
All right.
Let's see. This is Cabo.
It sounds like it needs to happen
really
like
good.
all night
I know.
parties.
It's delish.
Right on.
Thank
Delicious.
You're welcome.
You. Yes.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for stopping by the Dude's Bar. I appreciate it.
Thank
Absolutely.
Dude.
The
So
dude
good.
abides. Oh, fuck.
I don't know about you, but I take comfort in that, knowing that the Dude is out there taking it easy for all of us sinners. Hey, everybody, I want to thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. We'll talk to you later. And remember,
Click down below, y'all.
Do it.
Cheers. The dude abides. Cheers to that. That's really a lot.
just sit tight.
Don't give me it.
Hello.
So, Jenny, what would you like?
You know, I had this drink in Mexico and I want something reminiscent of that.
Okay.
Action.
Thanks for pouring this drink for us. The dude abides.
Perfect.
Action.
I'm glad you guys liked it. I really am.
Thank you.
I don't know about you, but I take comfort in that, knowing that the Dude's out there taking it easy for all of us sinners. I really do. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll talk to you later. I want to thank my guests as well.
Boobs out.
Go ahead and let's cheers.
All right.
You gotta get in there close,
Thank
Kelly.
you, dude. This is the best drink ever.
Wait. Action.
Cheers to a good night. The dude abides. Cheers, y'all.
Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Viva! And we need a napkin.
No, you're not done,
Perfect,
dude. You're not done.
Come back, Kelly. You're not done. You're being perfect.
You're being perfect.
You're actually very perfect, dude.
Oh, I gotta tilt my hat
Not
this
dude,
way.
but Kelly.
Yeah, look.
That's the dude.
I'm gonna do it.
It's okay. This is
All right, grab your
perfect.
drink,
People here
homie.
in Mexico.
Grab your drink. Okay, Jane, tell us.
Well, I've been rolling the whole time.
Okay.
I like her. Thank you, dude. This has been a real pleasure.
No.
What a
My
nice
pleasure,
night.
guys. I'm glad you guys
Awesome
hung out with me
sprints
tonight.
and dude abides.
Dude, bye.
Arriba!
I don't know about you, but I take comfort in that, knowing that the Dude's out there taking it easy for all of us sinner folks. All right, guys, you're watching The Dude's Kitchen. Please remember to like, subscribe, ring the bell. Appreciate it, and we'll talk to you later.